Okay, so today we're going to be talking about which is the best pet to have. So we have hamster and horse. So let's start with hamster.
I think hamster is the best pet because first they are easy to feed and you don't need to spend a lot of money or time to pet them. For example, you only need to buy a small box and some like sand to make them. Then you can feed them in your house, and they are small, so most of people think they are really cute because small things are always cute, and they will heal you all the time. I have a experience to share that in my company, there was a hamster that my boss feed it every day. So I think sometimes hamster saved me because it really make my boss not focus on me. So I think hamster is the best pet as you can having them in your house or in your company are all suitable. Compare with horse, I think you need a really big place to have horse because they need to run, and also they are difficult to taking care because you need to take them to maybe running or you need to wash them. Hamster is a animal that they are really love clean, so they may clean themselves every day. So I think so compared to horse, I think a hamster is still the best pet.
Okay, what about horse?
Okay. Hi everyone. I think a horse is the best pet. In ancient centuries, humans used horse as the main transportations. Nowadays, humans will train horse to be smart actors, so we can watch the movies. It still has horse, especially European and Chinese movies. Yeah, and also horse is the most is one of royal friends too. and they they and they will, some horse will participate in Olympics competitions with owners. So and sometimes if you feel upset, you can ride a horse to go to the beach. It's so relaxed. And okay, and compare with hamster, I think hamster, they are able to communicate with humans, and they die quickly. Yeah, they alive about 2 or 3 years. So it's maybe a little bit boring. So horse is the best pet.
So, Yuqing, what do you think about Iris's argument?
I think Iris had a really good argument about horse. If we have horse, we can really show off them to everyone, like as a actor or ride to beach, and that is really cool. But I would like to say something about hamsters life period. I think short they live in short period is also sometimes is a good benefit for people who just want a companion in short period. For example, if you go abroad to study in college, you only have 4 years, then maybe you can have a hamster that to company with you. I think so that's why I think short life is not a bad thing always. Yeah.
Iris, what do
So
you
I would like to support myself this time.
Okay, and Iris thinks.
Okay. Actually, I love Yuqing's opinion this time because I also hope my boss will feed a hamster too. Yeah, and it will make me easy in my office. You also mentioned their short life is become an advantage. So it's really it is a good opinion to support yourself.
Okay. And what about Yuchin? Can you give Iris some suggestions about how she could have persuaded you? Do you have some feedback for her?
I think horse is more smarter than other pets. So maybe Iris could take some examples about how people interact with horse, and that can make people maybe happier or something, because sometimes hamsters do not like to bother you. They only want to run and eat. So I think horse is more willing to interact with people.
Okay. Iris, what do you think about her feedback?
As I totally agree with. And it reminds me, I remember when I went to Quebec, and Quebec, it is a city in Canada, and they have many police horse. Yeah, just they just walk around the city and the castle. It looks beautiful, just like going back ancient centuries. And I think I considering to the ride horse because it is really expensive, and the training place is far away cities, so it's really it needs to spend money, times, and yeah, so I quit my myself. I quit this think. I don't know how to explain. I quit the thought. Yeah.
Sorry, can you explain a little bit what you're trying to say?
I mean, I considering to learn how to ride horse, but it need to spend much time, so I could quit it.
Oh, okay. You quit your job?
No, I quit this idea.
Okay, so you sort of stop thinking in this way.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. We don't really quit. We quit our jobs. We quit something that we're doing. But if it's an idea, maybe we stopped having this thought, or I changed my opinion because of something.
Yeah, okay.
Great. Okay, great. You guys have any questions with the debate? Have any
No.
questions? So congratulations to Eugene on winning the debate for today.